Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is how to remove a Panerai. This is the Panerai Luminor PAM00112 strap. Now, all Panerai references are different, but any of them that use the screws, this is how I do it. So, first thing you want to do is be on be in a clean area. Preferably, you may want to put like a towel or something soft down. I don't care, man. I bang the heck out of this thing. So then grab your little screwdriver. This is like the one that came with the PAM. I got this from an authorized dealer in St. Martin. But you don't want to scratch the case. So something a lot of people do with the Panerai is that they get in a hurry and they scratch the case. And actually what you can do, if you don't have very, I don't know, let's just call it, if you don't have very confident hands, you could put some tape around here, and that may better prevent you from scratching. Also, you could put this into something to where it won't move around. Now, I'm a fairly confident dude, so I'm going to gently put this in there, get it inside the screw, and then I'm going to twist. Ooh, see, I could have scratched. And that's why I'm keeping my hands around, the area, so I try not to. So I'm going to stop talking. And again, you just want to take your time. You don't want to rush, because if you try to rush, you're probably going to scratch your case up more than you would want to. And, if in doubt, just go to your authorized dealer. They should be able to do this for you. But that's part of the allure of the Panerai Luminor, is that you can get so many straps and you can change it up. If you want to have a rubber strap one day, you could have a rubber strap. If you want to switch it to a leather, if you want to switch it to some sort of synthetic material, that's the beauty of it. You can make this thing, you can change the appearance on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, whatever you may want to do. So see, that one's out, and now I'm going to take the other one out, the one at the top. Again, take your time. Now see how I'm holding my fingers together there? In this situation, that's actually pretty good, because I can feel that I'm screwing it out. But, should I slip, I may not scratch the case. Again, always take it to your authorized dealer if you're too concerned. I bang the heck out of my watches, so I don't care. Now see, I can pull that one out. And now the strap is removed. I'm left with the, with the Luminor timepiece itself. And something I recommend doing, and again, this is a matter of personal preference, this particular reference, a PAM00112, has significant water resistance. So what I'm going to do is take this to my bathroom and thoroughly clean it, because, if you're not swimming with your Panerai, which I swim with this one a lot in the oceans of the world, but if you're not swimming with it, if you're not using your rubber strap, if you're not using a rubber strap and you're using something leather like this that you don't want to get wet, you probably build up some gunk. So it's, in my opinion, best practice to take this sucker and clean it off thoroughly before you put your new strap on. Speaking of putting your new strap on, we're going to go through how to attach a Panerai, Panerai buckle to a Panerai strap, and then also how to attach the Panerai strap to the Panerai watch. So these are really cool pieces. If you like to mix up your look day to day, weekly, monthly, annually, or maybe you never change it, at least this video may provide some confidence that, hey, maybe I can swap out my Panerai strap. But again, don't feel obligated to do it. If you're nervous or you're lazy or maybe you're just filthy rich, you can go to your Panerai authorized dealer, and they'll probably be more than happy to do it for you, But this is how I do it. Again, my case is scratched up a lot, but I do have some soap scum on here because I shower with my Panerai, not with this leather strap that I just took off, but when I have my rubber strap on, I do take a shower with it. So I'm gonna clean this thing off, and then I'm gonna film that video how to attach a Panerai strap. Tell me what you think within the comment section below, and I hope this video is of value. Be sure to subscribe, Ring that bell icon when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.